Taqueria De Anda. It's in Lakeforest, off of Lakeforest in Rockfield. Got a shrimp taco, a asada taco, chicken taco, and a carnitas taco.
And then I got water since I'm driving it and she got the beer.
Shrimp taco. It's got sour cream, green sauce, onion. Mmm. The seasoning is delicious. Sour cream makes it creamy. Good. Are you trying the chicken first, honey?
Yeah, chicken one. I like them both, but. Good, got a lot of meat in there. And I like how we ate it here because the shell doesn't get all soggy when you take it home. It gets all soggy. It's still good. Delicious.
Alright, this is a asada taco. Mmm. Mmm. Lots of beef in here. The green salsa is amazing. Love it.
Carnitas. The nice spicy red sauce on there. Mmm. So good. I love this spice. Can't wait to come back.
Yay! DeAnda. It was delicious. I prefer the shrimp over the asada, but I like seafood. So.
And I prefer the asada over the carnitas.
But it was delicious. The Modelo was good.
Did you say where this place was located at?
Yes, it's in Lakeforest. It's off of Lakeforest in Rockfield.
They have tons of outdoor seating, which we're not going to need you tomorrow.
Because tomorrow in Orange County, seating.
Back open.
Happy Labor Day, everybody.
For how long? I don't know. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button.